Hi, good evening. I'm Jovy Gutierrez. So last week we talked about AXA investment funds and we focused on the equities. So now we will discuss about bonds fund if you are a conservative or moderate investor. So let me share my screen. So in here, if let's say you just wanted to invest in bonds fund, then we can check the historical performance of bonds fund. So this fund started last September 6, 2004 with a bid price of 10 pesos. And then over time, it increases. I mean, it tends to go up. And its highest price last 2016 was 18.16. And then it went down last 2018 with 15.24.63. And as of September 28th, the price is 19.86 pesos. So let's see what is the fund highlight sheet for this particular fund. So if you will ask what is Philippine Wealth Bond Fund, it is a peso denominated fund with an investment strategy centered around low risk growth through a combination of Philippine government fixed income securities and money market instruments. This fund focuses in providing conservative investors with a steady stream of growth while minimizing the chance for potential losses. So if you will ask if this fund is for you, then this is ideal for investors who are seeking conservative but long-term capital gains and looking to diversify an equity-heavy portfolio to mitigate heavy market fluctuations, informed and willing to take capital and income risks that come with the investment. So investment strategy, where your investment goes. So for fixed income, it's 80 to 100%. So it goes to fixed income securities issued by the Philippine government, provides stability in the portfolio. And then 0 to 20% will go to cash and money market instruments like treasury bills, deposits, and peso-denominated bank deposits. Short-term securities provide for the highest liquidity. And what is the unique fund feature? Being invested in time deposits and Philippine government bonds, these funds' steadier returns and lower potential losses are fit for more conservative investors. Bonds can also help equity-heavy investors to diversify. So the risk profile is low risk. So this is Philippine Wealth Bond Fund. And as of August 2020, okay. This is the fund manager of Philippine Wealth Bond Fund is also Metrobank. And then the fund admin and custodian is Citibank. So the highest price was August 24, 2020 with 20 pesos and 27 cents. And if you will take a look here, what are the top holdings? So it focuses more on Philippine government. And then since inception, its cumulative returns is 101.08%. So this is Philippine Wealth Bond Fund. Now we also have balance fund. And if you will check, by the way, I forgot to mention that the rate of return for a Philippine Wealth Bond Fund with an average of 5 years interval is 2.47%, which is still better than saving it in the bank, because the banks now gives annual interest of 0.125%. For Philippine Wealth Balance Fund, so its bid price also was 10 pesos and started like September 9, 2004. And its highest price before was 2013, which is 27.39 pesos. And then it went up to 28.38 last 2016, June of 2016. Then as of September 28, the price of Philippine Wealth Balance Fund is 25.94 per unit. So what is the fund highlight sheet? So for this one, Philippine Wealth Balance Fund is a peso-denominated fund invested in a combination of Philippine government securities and equities of Philippine corporations listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange. So it's a combination of bonds and stocks. This fund's focus is providing a balanced portfolio that is sufficiently diversified in and among asset classes and industry groups. So investment strategy, fixed income 20 to 80%. So securities like Philippine government, and then equity 20 to 80%. So for the publicly listed corporations, and for cash and money market instruments, the same thing, treasury bills, time deposits, and peso-denominated bank deposits and short-term securities. So this one has moderate risk, and this fund is ideal for investors who are seeking long-term growth of capital through both interest income and capital gains, looking to invest in a portfolio that manages risk by investing in a strategic mix of Philippine government bonds and equity, informed and willing to take adapted capital and income risk that come with the investment. So what is the unique fund feature? So balanced portfolio that mitigates investment risk through diversification but still provides ample opportunities for growth. Now, if you will take a look at here, the average rate of return within 5-year intervals is 5.93%. And the offer price right now is 27.38 pesos. So same thing, it's Metrobank is the fund manager and Citibank is the custodian. And cumulative returns since inception is 162.33%. And these are the top holdings. So if you will take a look at here, it's a mix of government entities and some top holdings. And then in here, it's SM Investments and SM Prime Holdings. So that's Philippine Wealth Balanced Fund. So now you have an idea what are the historical prices of Philippine Wealth Equity Fund and other equity funds. And then now these are bond fund and balance fund if you are a conservative or moderate investor. So if let's say you wanted to know more, you can contact me, and then we can set an appointment for virtual meeting, and then we can see what plan is suitable for you and your family. Thank you.